This Japanese-Korean fusion restaurant is our favorite and here's why. Ito ang Hansang Shabu Shabu or Sakura, hindi kami actually sure. Matatagpuan nyo pa rin to sa BF Homes Aguirre Ave, Parañaque. Isa sa mga gusto namin is yung variety nila ng side dishes. Hindi mo na kailangan actually umorder ng kanin. Ito lang at ulam okay na. Nagbabago yung side dishes nila from time to time. Pero kimchi and sweet potatoes pa rin. Ito ang lagi naming in-order. Ito ang kanilang kimchi jjigae. After a long month, talagang deserve mo to sa payday. Sige na, alam kong gusto mo. Deserve mo to. Almost lahat yata nasubukan na namin dito. Yung kanilang bulgogi, heartwarming. Yung braised beef, game changer. Yung kanilang Korean soy fried chicken, ay nako, syempre lasang chicken. Sige na, okay na. The next one is really good. Yung kanilang gamchatang. Nasubukan na din namin to sa Korea. Talaga namang masasabi namin na sobrang authentic. Fall off the bone. And lastly, bago siya sa menu, hindi namin alam yung pangalan. Kung alam nyo, comment down below. You already know the drill kapag may lettuce. Of course, you had to eat it Samgyeopsal style. Smoky, peppery, and flavorful. Sadly, wala pa silang social media. Sana ma-discover pa sila. And of course, help the people. Don't forget to clean as you go.